Good morning again, brothers and sisters. It is 9:12 a.m. Central Standard Time on December 19th, 2021. We are here at windy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do you know Q? Do you know the plan? Are you familiar at least a little bit? Surprise anyone. We are looking at PM2.5 on windy.com at 242 meters cubed of PM2.5 in Wuhan, China. Does this surprise anybody? Nah, I don't think so. My gosh, those are just astronomical levels, folks. Yeah, I have a feeling things are going to start ramping up real soon. Then we're looking over here at nitrous dioxide, 116 meters cubed over here in China still, not too far away. I mean, Beijing is right over here. What do you got over here in Beijing? 104. That's just fabulous. What about over here in Shanghai, near Shanghai? Oh, 107. Let's bring it back over here to Wuhan, as in Wuhan Laboratories. 9119. Uh-oh, what's going on over here in Tokyo? Different country, but still, Tokyo. Isn't there a volcano over here popping off somewhere? Pretty sure there is. 85.82. Nitrous dioxide. High levels. Ooh, not good. Got high levels of nitrous dioxide over here in Tehran, Lahore, Pakistan. Over here in Dunabad, India. Yeah, so we still do have some pretty high levels over here in the Middle East. Hopefully they will get themselves in check and straighten themselves out. Looks like we got it. Ooh, looks like we got some bad stuff going on over here in Italy. What's going on? Come on, them calzones shouldn't be taking up that much pollution. 100. Ooh, that's not good. 111. Ouch. That's not good at all. Over here in the England area, looks like things are pretty tolerable. Getting on the close side though. 30. Ooh, that's definitely not good. Up just south of Hull, London, you're looking at 26 for a high. Over here in Gloucestershire area, you're looking at 15, 16, 20. So looking pretty good. Let's go check out the United States. We're looking at a high of 83. Again, this is nitrous dioxide here in the Los Angeles area. So, yikes, that's not so good. Denver, Colorado area. We're looking at about 32.9. And let's see, with over here in Salt Lake. Come on. About 44. Not too bad. Canada's actually not too bad, but I'm actually more concerned about what's going on here in Mexico City. What is happening down here, folks? This is the first time I've seen Mexico City pop up like this. They're normally not too bad. Let's get right in the potatoes of it. Looks like we went, ooh, 97. That's not good. Let's check out some PM2.5 for everybody, since we already checked China. PM2.5 in Mexico is at 52 meters cubed at Minititala. I can't even pronounce that. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm sorry if I'm butchering. I know I'm butchering it. Let's see if I can zoom in and get it a little bit better. Yeah, whatever that city is. Come here. Villa Hermosa. So that's where we're at. 54. We just have 53, 54. Yep, meters cubed. All right. Let's zoom out and see if we can find some other. Mexico City, actually, I already checked in on that. They're actually at 48. The United States is pretty decent over here in Los Angeles. Again, they are at 47. Let's check South America real quick. Looking all right. And then, of course, we come over here to Africa and go, holy crap. England looks like they're having some pretty low PM2.5. 16, well, anything above 10 is actually considered dangerous level, even though there's not a safe level. It's just length of exposure. So, yeah, 16, 15, right around the Gloucestershire area. London, you're looking around 12. So, yep. Stay safe out there, folks. Everybody else is, well, of course, we know about India and everybody else over here. Oh my gosh, come here. Then we have a little bit of concern up here by the northeastern Pakistani border to India. Highs of 129. And let's check right here at this little spot. 107, right here near the Kazakhstan border with China. That's pretty high. Let's go check out a few other nice little things. And at Wind.com, we are over here looking at weather radar satellite. Let's look right over here near Havana, centered right about here. Watch this. Ready? Bloop, 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 bloop. Uh-oh. What was that? Almost like an impulse or a signal to the sky people is being sent. I mean, has anybody else happened to notice that a lot of times over here we see NOAA? National Ocean and Atmospheric Administration. NOAA. Oh, doesn't this look like a bird? You know, like Noah sent out a bird to bring back, like of peace, basically. But notice how it also kind of looks like waves, like in between the swells. Do you think they're putting it in our face, folks? I think they are. Let's go see if we can find any other anomalies. Now, out of all of my followers here, does anybody remember the movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind, where they were over at Devil's Tower, which is in Wyoming? I've actually hunted near there. Got me a decent deer there, by the way. Beautiful beautiful area, beautiful territory to look around and just view, and it's a beautiful thing to witness. But if you remember the music when they were sending signals, information, communications back and forth, do you think maybe that's what these are that we're seeing? Even though, oh yeah, it's to monitor our weather, but just I'm gonna play a clip for it. And I want you guys to just to kind of give it a listen and be honest and tell me what you think. Listen to this.
By beeping twice. If everything's ready, you're on the dark side of the moon. Play the 5 tones.
Dark side of the moon? Could we be signaling them? Interesting. Look at this. All these little bits of information. Light, energy, transmission, receiving. Look at these grid lines.
Give her 6 quavers.
You think that's what's going on?
She sent us 4 quavers.
I don't know.
A group of 5 quavers.
It wouldn't surprise me nowadays. We can already prove weather manipulation. Can't we, folks? Moving on. Over here at the National Bouy, or National Data Buoy Center, we actually do have one in event mode that has been going off since yesterday, apparently. Let's go over here and take a peek at what she's got. And here we are, is where we have our little spike down. Not seeing it as a major dip. I mean, that's 0.2 meters. That's like maybe 3 feet. Looks like it comes right down and then pops right back up again. I can't see that being a major ordeal myself personally. If this was 1900 GMT, I don't even know what the heck that is. To be honest, I mean, this is 0, 100, 23, 22, 21, 20. So right after 2000. So 24, right around 2014 GMT time, whatever that is, we had this drop from 0.04 to 0. So that's not even a full 1 meter is 3 feet. So that's not even 3 feet. That's like a foot. It's like 12, and it popped up. I mean, that could be a freaking shark hitting the diggum buoy, because I mean the buoys are asphyxiated to the ground, to the ocean floor. I don't know, but that's what we got going on with that. And that was all that I seen for there. But let's go look at some volcanic activity. we've definitely got a lot of volcanoes and large quakes to look at, especially this guy here. Oh, come on, you godless bloody wonder. We are getting some notably larger quakes. We got an M6 magnitude 6.0, really a 7.0. South Africa, Prince Edward Islands region. I don't even like calling it that because I don't think that dude deserves his own islands. Like, seriously? Who is he to claim islands? South Sandwich Islands. We're looking at a 5.0, really a 6.0. We got some going over here in the United States. Let's see the size of these two. 5.1, right near Mexico, and, well, it's not going to give me both of them, is it? Well, I'm going to have to zoom in on that bad boy. So let's zoom in and see what it says. And we've got a 5.1 and a 4.1. So really it's a 5.1 and a 6.1. Right on the tectonic plates. Oof, there's been a lot of activity in this area, folks. I'm not even going to lie. There has been a lot of activity over here. And this is definitely going to be crazy. Well, let's actually pop it down here to M.3 and see how many more lights up. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. And over here in China, we've got, oh, Northern Qinghai, 5.5, 4.3. So yeah, add one to it. That's a 5. Those are 5.0s, 5.2s, 5.3s. We got a 6.6 or 6.5 rather. Look at all of this nastiness down here. Let's zoom in this area. Now, keep in mind, most of these are on tectonic plates or around a volcanic caldera like this big old round beast. Yeah, how you doing, pretty? And here we are over here in Indonesia, and we are looking at West Papua. Look at all of these earthquakes. My goodness gracious, all of them 5.0s. Well, there's a 4.1, but lots of 5.0s and greater over here, a couple of 4-pointers. There's a lot of seismic activity going on over here, and it actually looks like you got a trifecta going on. You've got one plate here, but ends right here, and then this plate here ends here, and then this one ends here. It's almost like a thing in the middle here that it's going on, and it's almost like a pressure point. Like all of this is pushing this way, this is pushing this way, this one's pushing this way, and this one looks like it might be helping to push this way, which is why you're getting everything right here in the middle of this trifecta area. Really, it's between these three, right smack in the middle. Yeah, buddy. Ouch, that's gonna hurt. Please keep these people in your prayers over here in Indonesia and Papua. They are definitely going to need it. Banda Arc, yeah, that's a banda place to live, I'll tell you what. Woof. Just to keep in mind, folks, we are over at planetstoday.com. We are actually moving into an alignment with Mercury and Venus. With our moon on the backside, Venus, and then Mercury. Let's go ahead and pop it forward a little bit. There we go. Lining up. So we're moving into, it looks like it's going to be a few days before while we have that alignment. That'll be pretty interesting. And oh, look who's over here on the backside trying to be all sneaky in the back. Pluto, what you doing, dude? Look at that. Coming right in here. Man, Pluto's sneaky. You got to watch out for that dude. He cold because he'll pull on you. So we got to be careful. We got to watch out for Pluto. But everybody stay safe. I'm still going to be working on it. I just decided to do this one just as a little update on some extra things I haven't looked at in a little while. But we will do the old rabbit hole dig here in a little bit. Stay safe. And remember you're loved. Please like, share, and subscribe.